Hi viewers, welcome to Challenging C# Programming. In this video I will show you 4 different ways to load pictures in pictureBox. We will practice FromFile method, ImageLocation property, program resources and openFileDialogBox. Open a Windows Form application, and drag a button in pictureBox. Adjust their properties accordingly. As you can notice, I have a coin's head and tail image in my C drive. Give button a load event. Our first method is FromFile method. Inside the braces you need to write the absolute path of your image that you want to publish. Now, our second method is ImageLocation property of pictureBox. Here, you assign the location of the image directly. Our third method is program resources. Find properties in Solution Explorer and double-click on it. It will open as a new tab. Find Resources in Property tab and click on it. Choose Add Resources and then Add Existing Files. Browse and select the image you want to publish on the form. Do not forget to click Save. Now the last and final method is openFileDialogBox. You can use that if you want to give user opportunity to browse and select image by herself. openFileDialogBox is a control. You can find it in the toolbox. Drag an openFileDialogBox on the form. Now we are ready to program. ShowDialog method will invoke the openFileDialogBox. Run the program and notice if you are seeing File Dialog box. File name property of File Dialog window will return the path of the selected file. Save that path into a string variable.
Now, you have file path ready in the program. You can either use FromFile or ImageLocation way to load picture. Notice here, I am not validating File Dialog Box. When you use that method you need to check at least two things. The first one, if user chooses open or cancel in dialog window, and the second one, if file path contains a valid image or not. Hope you liked the video. Please subscribe.